I was confused about the number. Like when I got the number, I didn't get that. I never got the number. I got the Zoom link, and I got like a number for court. I never got the actual probation number. When I tried to, now she just actually gave me the probation number. I got it saved in my phone now. Before I just had the court number, and the day I was supposed to come to court, which is today.
Bench warrant to issue. No bond. So you need to turn yourself into the Washington County Jail. I give out the phone number each and every time to everybody, and I ask them if they have it. So I'll see you.
I can almost imagine the poor soul who comes after me, and for a brief second, I feel a flicker of sympathy for them. But honestly, that feeling disappears almost immediately, replaced by a grin because, truthfully, I don't feel sorry at all. The thought of someone stepping into this situation seems amusing rather than concerning. So, without wasting any more time on false pity or hesitation, let's dive straight into what needs to be done. There's no room for second guessing here. It's about time we get started with full focus and clarity.
Martin, case number 23-00425.
Rachel McDuffie for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Eric Martin.
Mr. Martin, please unmute. State your name for the record.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Please turn on your screen also.
What's going on? Hold on, I'm trying to do that here. I'm not seeing it. Okay, there we go.
There you go, sir.
This is Eric, capital E, lowercase R-I-C, capital M, lowercase A-R-T-I-N, living man, hereby threatened arrest, and appearing by special appearance under general jurisdiction.
You really have a way of standing out in a way that nobody could ever forget. It's like you took a detour from the ordinary and somehow jumped straight off the Chaos Express, landing right in the middle of this moment. Honestly, it feels as if you skipped every step of preparation and just appeared here, fully unfiltered and impossible to ignore. There's a wild energy about the way you show up, the kind that makes everyone pause for a second and wonder how this even happened. In short, your entrance is unforgettable, bizarre, and somehow spectacular all at once, leaving a mark that lingers long after the moment has passed.
That was forwarded to the prosecutor's office, indicating that he was not able to open the discovery that was provided to him, and requesting that he get another copy so that he could try to get it to work. He indicated that he had tried to go to the library in order to get it to work with no success also. And since that time, Ms. McDuffie, were you able to provide him with another copy?
No, Your Honor, we have not provided another copy. So the issue, I think, is that Mr. Martin, first of all, let me just confirm that when discovery was demanded and ordered at the October 26th final settlement conference, obviously he received it. He picked that up on November 7th. That contained a flash drive with the media, which is MSP WatchGuard video, a copy of the police report, and a copy of the citation itself. So Mr. Martin has received everything that we would provide to any other attorney, except that it's not a link because he didn't give us an email and he wanted it mailed to him. But what often happens is that to be able to view that, you need to possibly install a player on your local computer so that you can, play that video. And if Mr. Martin is going to the library, it's most likely a system that's not going to allow him those types of permissions to do that. So I would encourage that we don't really have, it's not an issue, I don't believe, with what he was sent having some sort of error on it, but I think that he should connect with his standby.
So you're really suggesting that his court-appointed lawyer could have handled all of this for him, as if that was ever a given. The ironic part is that the public defender isn't even actively representing him. She's more like a safety net, just sitting there in case he somehow needs help. She exists in the background, ready for moments when he can't manage even the simplest tasks on his own. Honestly, it's almost comical to watch someone struggle with something as basic as opening a video file, and yet expect the lawyer to swoop in like a superhero. In situations like this, her role is purely standby, highlighting just how lost, he is without even the tiniest bit of guidance.
Called a player to be able to play that. It's not going to just play on its own. You have to have the downloaded app or whatever it is that you need to play it from that. Download it to your actual computer. When I was a defense attorney, the way we had to do it is to download that player as well. That's the way the process works, sir.
So I don't know. I don't understand how to do that. So, and I object to her saying it's not nothing they sent. You know, it shouldn't be this complicated.
Honestly, this isn't rocket science, and the court shouldn't have to simplify things just so a 55-year-old with the comprehension of a fifth grader can manage. Watching a video on your computer doesn't require a PhD. It just means downloading a basic video player and clicking play. The instructions are straightforward, yet somehow it turns into an epic struggle for some people who can't handle simple technology. It's almost absurd to watch someone stumble over something so elementary, acting as if the rules of the digital world are a secret code. At the end of the day, this is basic stuff. Anyone with minimal common sense should be able to figure it out without the court holding their hand every step of the way.
So what she's suggesting that you do is to get with Ms. White, who is your standby counsel, and have her assist you with downloading that so you can review it, sir.
Well, as I objected to before, I don't accept no attorneys because then that would give unlawful, fraudulent presumptions, and I'm a defendant, and along with a lot of other presumptions, which I'm going to be sending affidavit to rebut 12 of the general fraudulent presumptions that's done in cases. Haven't did it yet, but yeah, that's the problem with that.
Well, that is your choice, but that is the mechanism for you to review it. You can utilize what is available to you or you cannot, but those are your choices. I'm going to give you one more chance to figure out how to get that done. If it's not done at the next pretrial, then we'll just keep moving forward. Okay?
Well, no, I object to it. Well, you know, I need to be able to.
You can object to whatever you want to object to, sir, but that is what we're doing today. Pretrial in this particular matter is going to be adjourned to February 1st, 2024 at 9 o'clock a.m. We will see you then.
Well, hold on, let me write this down. So February 1st,
Correct?
at what time?
At 9 o'clock a.m.
9 o'clock a.m. Okay, now this lady you're talking about, what is her name again? I don't have her number or nothing.
Miss
Sandra, I'm sorry,
there you go.
Sandra White. It's on the screen there. Can you see it?
Yeah, I see the name, but I don't see no number or nothing, and
Okay. Will you answer our calls? I'm gonna give you the phone number. You ready? I'm
yeah,
gonna give you my office number: 734
yeah,
545
yeah,
3486.
3486, all right.
Okay.
I just wanted to, Washington object again to her representing me, because like I said.
Well, you really showed up in style, presenting yourself in the courtroom like a fully inflated caricature of incompetence, as if you had evolved into an intellectually deflated, hopelessly confused version of yourself. And then there's that lady, the one they call your public defender, who isn't actually there to fight for you or speak on your behalf. Her role is far more modest. She's on standby, ready to assist when things get confusing, like guiding you through the most basic tasks. Essentially, she's there to help you navigate simple instructions and, in moments of dire need, show you how to even watch a video on your computer. It's almost painful to watch, but also comically tragic, seeing someone so utterly unprepared struggle with what should be elementary tasks, relying on someone else just to survive the most basic digital challenges.
So, but I will contact her if you guys are gonna force me, so to say. It's only gonna be, it's by force, and not give me no other option to review the video myself, due to them not sending something that can be reviewed. But that's all I got to say on that. Like I said, it'll be by force. It's not you know.
Honestly, none of this is happening by force. You're here voluntarily, and personal jurisdiction has been clearly established, whether you like it or not. The fact that you need a lesson in using basic modern technology is almost perfectly fitting for someone trying to play the sovereign citizen role while stumbling over the simplest tasks. It's absurd, yet somehow exactly what we've come to expect from this kind of courtroom circus. That's it for today's short appearance, but there's much more coming in early 2024, and you can bet it's going to be just as entertaining. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. If not, hit dislike, but don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe with notifications turned on so you won't miss any of the upcoming chaos.